Everyone's talking about systems lately, but no one's telling you exactly what they are. Today, I'm going to explain to you exactly what a system is, how it's going to help you, and I'm going to give you 3 examples. One with no system, one with a system, and one with a different system. So maybe this will help spark some ideas of some ways that you can implement some systems in your home. So a system is small, tiny tweaks, not a huge overhaul that you make in your home. And it's custom around you and your home, your lifestyle, and how you live and work in your home. So after you implement a tweak here and a tweak there, they start to accumulate. And then your house starts to work for you. They just make living, maintaining, cleaning your home so much easier. My name is Cindy. I've been cleaning houses for over 30 years, and I help women make systems, habits, and just simplify their home cleaning routine so that they can live more and clean less. So today we're going to get into the examples, and I can't wait to show you. Okay, we're starting in the kitchen today as if we're cooking and chopping up food. So I chop food, I put it in the pan, and then I have leftovers. So I take the leftovers and I walk them over to the trash can, dripping them on the floor possibly. And then I go back and I have more crumbs. And then I want to drain the grease in the pan. Do y'all drain your grease with a paper towel? I do. And then I drain it like this and then walk over, hopefully not dripping it on the floor, and then put it in the can and then walk back to the cooking area. Now this is no system and it's a waste of time. So what I do, this is my way that I do it. This is my system. Now you got to make it according to you. I use a rolling trash can. And when I'm cooking in the kitchen, that trash can stays right next to me. That way when I have roughage from the leftover vegetables or meat I'm cutting, I put it right in the trash can. That way when I go to drain my grease or wipe up the counter, the crumbs go right in the trash can. It's right there. I'm saving time, I'm not wasting steps, and not getting anything on the floor. An option number 2 that you could do instead of the rolling trash can system is just a debris bowl. And you can even put a bag in it. So use a debris bowl or put a bag in it. You chop your vegetables and then you put your leftover debris in the bag. Keep the bowl with you. So if you're draining grease, these are just examples, that you have your bowl right there. You can put crumbs in it. You can put grease rags. You can put leftover pieces of vegetables in there. And then after you're over, one trip to the garbage can. This is going to save so much time. Systems make me want to do the happy dance. Yeah. This really does make life easier. And I bet you after I showed you what system is, you're thinking, I think I already have a few of these. But let me tell you, if you do a deep dive and you make more, this is where your house is going to actually work for you. It's all about the systems in place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know below if you have any questions or comments or any suggestions on some systems that you do that we would love to know and implement in our own home. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I come here every week with tips and tricks on how to simplify our home so we can live more and clean less. Bye. See you next week.